What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. My name is Steve and welcome. And I got something for you today, something unexpected. And I try to keep it fresh and keep it unexpected for you guys because I don't want to be just like every other sneaker YouTuber giving the same chalk opinions, right? So today we're talking about something that has to do with Air Force Ones, or maybe getting away from Air Force Ones, because it's very easy to just be like, oh, well, I need a white pair of sneakers, so I guess I'll just go get some AF1s. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with AF1s. They are iconic for a reason, but what if you want to be a little different? What if you want something that not everybody's gonna rock? And maybe you don't want to pay as much money. You know, a little bit of savings here and there doesn't hurt. So today we are talking about a sneaker that I think you can swap out for the Air Force Ones and still look crispy. And honestly, I think I might rock these from now on until, of course, my taste changes again, just like everybody else's. But today we are talking about the Nike Court Vision Low, right? Pretty close, but not quite. A little bit fresh. Let's take a closer look before we dive in. Guys, welcome back, and now that you've seen a closer look of these bad boys right here, these are the Court Vision Lows, and it's a very straightforward sneaker. It's not trying to be anything that it isn't, and I know what you might be thinking, but Steve, they look just like Air Force Ones, and I don't want to hear that, because Dunks look kind of like Jordan 1s, Jordan 1 highs look kind of like Jordan 1 mids, but we are very particular about our sneakers, and we swear they look drastically different. So clearly this doesn't look exactly like an Air Force One. It is proportioned differently. Its silhouette has a bit of a smoother shape to it, less chunky, which is kind of what I've been looking for recently, and I think that's what drew my eye to these. And you may recognize these from my best sneakers under $100 video, which I will link for you at the end, because this was part of the list, and it was during the research of that list that I saw these, and the colorways were fire, and I basically just copped immediately. So now they are in hand, and I am very much impressed with the way these come out. Things I love about this sneaker design-wise, you got this crispy white leather outsole, or upper, I should say, and it, you know, white on white, leather on leather. There is nothing but leather on this upper here, and it looks great. It's not going to wow you in any way. It's not some crazy high quality leather, but it's a nice pebble grain leather, and it looks like it's going to hold up decently well. Obviously, it will crease with time and use, but that's what we're doing here. We are wearing our sneakers, so don't worry about it, because these were cheap. They weren't a crazy price point. And my favorite amongst this colorway in particular, of course, that little darker gum kind of sandy brown sole. It just looks so clean. I love that brown midsole with the white upper. Crisp, clean, streamlined, easy to rock with just about anything, because this brown will go with black, it'll go with other browns, greens, blues, whatever you want to pair it with. It will go with it. So this is a very versatile sneaker. A sneaker that you can wear with pants, shorts, just about any fit you can think of. Of course, I'm going to keep them on ice during the winter here in Detroit because it gets a little nasty, although it's sunny today. So it might be able to make an appearance here or there on a casual errand. So that's what I love about this sneaker. It's clean, it's crisp, and like I said in the beginning, it's just different. It's not another Air Force One, and I get it. I love Air Force Ones too, but I'm trying to find alternatives for my personal wardrobe and alternatives to share with you guys so that maybe you can differentiate a little bit if you were feeling that. Maybe you're just kind of tired of wearing the same old thing and you want something a little different, but you don't want to go too crazy. You want something that still works with the wardrobe that you have. Here you go. The Court Vision Lows. What's not to like with these things? It has all of the classic design elements that we like, the type of paneling that you will see on Air Force Ones, you'll also see on Jordan 1s, you'll also see on Dunks. The swoosh, the way it's done, similar to all those types of sneakers. You got the nice Nike block lettering on the heel there. Even the outsole reminiscent of an Air Force One. So now, in terms of cushioning and comfort and all of that, it maybe feels a little bit stiffer than an Air Force One, but not to like the level of like a Converse Chuck Taylor. I don't know. I'm kind of torn on whether these are more or less comfortable. They feel more or less the same. There might be a little less Nike air cushioning going through here, but there's got to be at least a little bit through the forefoot here. Overall though, for your everyday use type of sneaker, it's a very comfortable everyday use type of sneaker. I have nothing but good things to say about that in terms of its wearability and how it feels, because it feels good. It's also true to size. In my opinion, I got my true size and I found it to be very nice and comfortable. Good room in the toe box, good on the length, everything. It feels good. And I'm a person with a wider foot as well, so keep that in mind. So if you are a person with a little bit wider foot or just a regular narrow foot, you're probably going to be good lengthwise with your true to size. And for price, I think I got these for about 89-ish bucks, maybe 80 bucks, but they're going to periodically be on sale here and there throughout the holiday season, and they were in my best of under $100 video. So you shouldn't be paying more than $100 for these, and Nike.com shipped free. Returns are easy. That's my personal choice. Or hit up your local skate shop or your local sneaker shop. They might have these in stock, so cop from the local businesses first, especially because some colorways on Nike are out in certain sizes. So I have the link for you to cop down below, but just remember that they might not be there. So check with your local businesses as well, guys. Always support the locals if you can. And that does it for me, guys, on this video of the Nike Court Vision Lows, a dope alternative to an Air Force One, something to switch up your wardrobe a little bit. So if you enjoyed these bad boys, let me know down in the comments below. Also check the link to cop in my description. I also have other great links for you to cop. Some of my favorite sneaker books are linked down there as well as some protective shoe spray. Great gifts for yourself or the sneakerhead in your life. So check those out as well. And if you haven't yet, which why haven't you, hit the like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate your time. I appreciate your engagement, your likes, comments, the subscriptions. Everything goes to helping me grow this channel, and we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I want you to be a part of it. And I hope as we grow to be able to incorporate you guys even more in the videos than just commenting back, because I am the CEO of responding to comments, so I will hit you back, but I want to try to figure out other ways as the channel grows to engage with you guys even more. Maybe do some giveaways or some kind of other fan engagement, something like that. We'll figure it out together. All right. But for the meantime, hit the like and subscribe, join the family, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. And until then, hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, whenever you are watching this. Peace.